But if your client has a tummy tuck, she has that big incision here, you cannot drain the fluid down. You know why? This incision is going to block this fluid. What's gonna happen the next day or after 24 hours? Sometimes it's even very fast. Your client is going to be full here and is going to feel discomfort and heavy, and she is gonna be really in pain. So the therapist, or you respect this line here, but then the therapist is going to reroute that fluid there. So that is your anastomosis. Before you do that, you're going to create a pathways here. Okay, lateral trunk. The same the other side. You're going to create a pathways here. That way the fluid can reroute over here. So, am I going to treat here all the way? No. We're going to divide this. 1, 2, 3. So, let's divide this, okay? So, first, we're going to divide it. Okay? So, fluid from here, it goes there to the axilla, okay? To the trunk, and then